We're going to replace this valve. It's just a shower. Gonna have to cut this open with a large plate and do our soldering inside and all that. And then it's oversized goof plate that'll cover it up. The only problem is this is a mud wall, so it should be rather interesting. The new valve and cover plate comes with this template. Just trace it around. And it's smaller than the actual plate, but we'll have to cut this. And the new valve that's going in is going to be a single handle chrome. But we have to get to the hot and cold and the riser, which hopefully it goes kind of up because it is offset to the right. But we'll see once we get in there. The wall's pretty thick too. A little dust in here. But I'm using the grinder. You can see how thick that wall is. Wire mesh behind. So, getting there. Put a piece of wood on the bottom. It's going to be a problem. Oh, what a mess. Oh, what a mess, guys. Let me turn this fan off so I can talk. Well, her husband built this house. He built it like Fort Knox. I mean, seriously. And that shouldn't be a problem of cutting and getting to. My problem is the elbows and that piece of wood on the bottom. So I'm going to get my Dremel tool or Sawzall and try to cut that away. Probably put that piece of wood, the strap there. I couldn't really go from behind because it's the other bathroom. It just wouldn't have worked. Trust me, I was thinking about it. So, gotta do what I gotta do. It's a freaking mess. So you can see how thick this thing was. This guy built it from hand, scratch himself. And he passed away, and I'm dealing with his wife. So, that's a little history. Well, so I used a saw Dremel tool. I cut this piece of wood out. Cut the elbows. I'm gonna have to sweat these off and cut the male adapter. And I'm probably gonna have to put some elbows and bring it out because it's so far back. You can't just place a new valve in and the handle will be real close. And do what we gotta do. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit. Look at all the dust. This place is filthy. Gotta wipe this all down, spray it all down. Oh, one of my coworkers is here. Yay! Face plate. Yeah. I need the screws. Well, got the water back on. Everything together. And she came out pretty good. Also changed the discussion and shower arm and shower head. Came out pretty good. Now we have to do the one in the other bathroom, which is a 3-handle tub and shower. But I'm not sure if we're going to do that today. Probably set that up for a different day. But I have a spigot in the back that I got to do, and a ball valve. But I'm going to go take some lunch. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I'll talk to you guys later.